Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn a fun and easy way to add numbers. It's called counting on. Before we begin, let's warm up by counting to 20 together. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! Now you're ready to learn how to use counting on to solve addition problems. Let's get started. Let's work out 7 plus 5 together. First, let's look for the bigger number. Is it 7 or 5? That's right. 7 is bigger. We'll keep 7 in our heads and count on from there. The smaller number is 5, so let's hold up 5 fingers. Each finger is 1 count. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 7 plus 5 equals 12. See? Counting on is easy. Start with the bigger number, use your fingers for the smaller number, and count on to find the answer. Now it's your turn to help with 9 plus 7. Which number should we start with? 9. It's the bigger number. The smaller number is 7, so let's hold up 7 fingers. We'll use 1 finger for each count. Let's count together. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 9 plus 7 equals 16. Let's try another one. 7 plus 8. This time 8 is the bigger number. We'll start at 8. The smaller number is 7, so hold up 7 fingers. Here we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Awesome. Now let's solve 12 plus 5. Which number is larger? 12. We'll begin at 12. The smaller number is 5, so let's hold up 5 fingers. Now count on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. Great counting. Here's the next one, 3 plus 16. The bigger number is 16, so that's where we'll start. The smaller number is 3, so hold up 3 fingers. Ready? 16, 17, 18, 19. So 3 plus 16 equals 19. Fantastic. Let's do one last problem, 9 plus 4. The bigger number is 9, so we'll start there. The smaller number is 4, so let's hold up 4 fingers. Now count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 equals 13. Amazing work. Great job! You made it through all levels. How many did you get right? If you enjoyed this challenge, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more math quizzes. Keep practicing and see you in the next challenge, and don't forget to watch our other videos.